campus bus or for the government?
Yeah, it's a campus, so it's run by the university.
I was very lazily making coffee when I got your message. Weather changes, I feel very rapidly here. Sometimes I feel it's very cold.
Yeah.
And then suddenly I see sun.
Yeah, it's a huge difference.
I went to a gym. It was very cold. I thought that I'll be in sweat and it will be difficult to come back. But the moment I came out, it was very hot.
It's quite spread out. Some of the buildings are not part of the university.
Bus timings are very, very punctual. I think if I had started doing something else, it would have been difficult to catch the bus at the exact minute we reached there.
Where we are going is on the other side of the hospital.
Whom we are meeting there?
Don't have a particular meeting, but just check who's there and see.
Okay. How many such gaps on this summer vacation time?
Most people will vacation in July.
Any winter break also?
End of December.
Because there was a break, I had to do all the formalities related to visa and all to get letters very quickly. This photon counting CT, is this something new which is being done here, or is it some standard thing? Is there any specific advantage?
You can get higher quality, fine details, some vessels and stuff like that, which is hard to discern using regular CT.
Regular CT. I thought possibly the name defines the technology. Somehow it is using photons or something.
Counting the number of photons that get through. There's a emitter on one side and there's something that captures on the other side and then sees how much that goes through.
Your main goal is to getting access to the data and to the photon detector CT scanner.
Not the scanner itself, but the data it produces.
Any specific data you are looking for?
At this point, I would say it doesn't really matter. Some test data that I can access without having approval from the ethics board.
That particular data will give you what more insights?
Since there are multiple energy levels, I expect that you can separate hard tissues like bone from a contrast agent. For example, when you inject a special
inject something and that it travels.
And it goes through the blood flow.
But for your goal, you will need two types of data, right? One is multispectral and one is non, so that you can compare.
Yeah, that's a good point. I would assume that one of the energy levels would be kind of corresponding to the regular CT. Since I don't have the data, I'm not sure.
They were criticizing nice things in Sweden. They want some chaos.
They want some chaos. They're so organized.
Yeah.
Too much rules.
The reasons are common. First, maybe Bangalore's weather and Hyderabad's weather, it's very comfortable. Then second, they have to pay less number of engineers, software developers work for that salary. So for them, it's very cheap labor. Because of this only in Bangalore, you find a lot of traffic.